Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I will demonstrate all unlock methods on the HONOR X5c Plus. First I'm gonna open settings by scrolling down and pressing this little button. Within settings I'm looking for security and privacy, which is right here. Now I'm looking for device unlock. Let's click here. And it asks you to set a screen lock. So let's do just that. Here you can set a 6-digit pin, but instead I'm going to press set unlock methods and set a pattern instead. Let's set an easy pattern. Remember it, but don't use this one, it's not secure. So this is the first unlock method, which is a password, but you can also set a biometrics password. You have a fingerprint ID and face recognition. I'm going to set my fingerprint, draw a pattern, then click new fingerprint. Click add. Let's set our thumb. It might take a while. Okay, now that you've done, press OK, and it asks you to set up face recognition. For now I'm going to click cancel, go back, you can set your face recognition here as well. Unlock your pattern, and now set your face recognition up. So now that you've done that, let's see our unlock methods. Turn off your phone. Let's try to unlock it with our thumb. As you can see, it unlocked. Let's try to unlock it with our face. Press on it and look in the camera. As you can see, it unlocked. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.